Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use AI wallpapers on your S24. So what you want to do is to tap in some blank spot on your home screen and select wallpaper and style, and then go to change wallpapers, and down here where it says create with AI, make sure you tap this. And then you're going to get this selection of wallpapers that are generated by AI. So I'm gonna tap one of them, and if I tap generate and agree, it is going to use this prompt here to generate an image. So if I want to change the prompt, I just tap the image, and then I can tap the highlighted keywords on the prompt, and then I can change what it says, and then tap generate, and the AI will create a beautiful wallpaper. And then I can simply tap set, and now it is on my home screen. So that's how you create AI wallpapers. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you leave it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one.